Now this is the second question. We are expected to integrate e raised to the power of -1 to e raised to the power of 2 modulus of log x to the base e over x times dx. We are given three choices, 5, or I would say 4 choices, 5 over 2, 2 and 4. So you can work this question out and then come back and check the solution. Okay, I hope you all have got the answer. So let us see how to get the solution for this question. Now this is what is given: integral e raised to the power of -1 e squared modulus of log x to the base e over x times dx. Now because of the modulus being present, I want to split this as e raised to the power of -1 to 1 modulus of log x to the base e over x times dx, positive 1 to e squared modulus of log x to the base e over x times dx. Okay, so now clearly 1 is the turning point for this function for both positive and negative. So I can rewrite this as integral e raised to the power of -1 to 1, and this is going to be negative of log x to the base e over x times dx. This one is going to give me a positive side, so 1 to e squared log x to the base e over x times dx. Okay, so this can be integrated. So if I were to take log x to the base e to be a sum u, 1 over x times dx is equal to du. So when x is equal to e raised to the power of -1, what do we have here? U is log e raised to the power of 1 to the base e, which is negative times log e to the base e, which is -1. So the integral is going to be, this is -1. Now when x is equal to 1, if I were to substitute x is equal to 1, this is going to give me 0 with a negative sign. So log x is u, dx over, or I would say this is going to produce me du, followed by positive. Now we would have the same substitution, right? We can use the same substitution. So this is going to be u and du, but the limits will change, right? So when x is equal to 1, you will get 0. When x is e raised to the power of 2, you get 2 there. Okay, so if I were to revert this 0 to, there's no point in reverting it. Okay, so you integrate this. This is u squared over 2. The limits are -1 to 0. U squared over 2. The limits are 0 to 2. So you substitute the upper limit, you get 0. You substitute the lower limit, you get 1 over 2. You substitute the upper limit, you get 4 over 2. Lower limit will give you 0. So this is going to give you positive 1 over 2. This is going to give you 2, and you simplify this, you get 5 over 2. So go back and you check, is it A? No. Is it B? Yes. 5 over 2 is the correct solution for this question. So we move on to the next one.